Hello there, incredibly bad Christopher Walken impersonator here with a story for you about a young schoolboy named Will. Several years ago, young Will, along with his mom and pop, Destiny and David, and his brothers Isaac and Noah, took a Mathews Brothers manufacturing tour. Mom was not the only Destiny on that tour. Will was awestruck by what he witnessed, the amazing technology, the complex machinery, and everywhere he looked, smiling faces, people happily engaged in producing what they called wicked awesome windows. So moved was young Will that when he was of age, he began his career at Mathews Brothers, where it continues today. So to all you young Wills and Leahs out there, come take a tour, see for yourself what goes into making our legendary windows and doors. Change your destiny. If nothing else, you'll get a bumper sticker. Learn more about our wicked awesome windows and doors, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.